Everybody loves a good comeback story. There is something about rooting for the party that has suffered a lot even though they used to rule the world before. In a world of ups and downs, comebacks are waiting to happen in the cryptocurrency industry. And for a platform like Axie Infinity, people are rooting for them to come back and reclaim their throne as the best blockchain game in the world. Hello Internet and a huge welcome to everyone watching. This is Crypto Cash Out, the channel that supplies you with your daily dose of information about blockchain games and cryptocurrency. We love sharing information and news regarding the crypto industry in this channel, but please do not take what we say or show in this video as financial advice. We are not advisors nor are we experts of crypto. Please be responsible enough and do additional research after watching this video. That being said, on to the video now. If you have been a fan of blockchain games or even cryptocurrency as a whole, you should know what Axie Infinity is. It was once the biggest blockchain in the world. The past can be cruel to the present at times. There was a time when everyone and their grandmothers were playing Axie Infinity as it was new and people wanted that sweet SLP. And we all know that nothing lasts forever. And the same thing can be said for Axie Infinity. These days, Axie Infinity is being overshadowed by new games. People are crowning games as the Axie killers because they want to see it fail. It also does not help the fact that they are facing a heavy bear run. It is not their fault that they are in the state that they are in right now. It is really unfortunate that they are faced with this circumstance. However, people are looking forward to the growth of Axie. They expect good things from it, especially since they have released a new game, Axie Infinity Origins. Before they had the ever-popular SLP, they had the Axie Infinity Shards or AXS. These were the tokens they used before anything else and before the popularity boom of the game. Now, AXS serves as the governance token of the game and will be used by voters on how the funds in the Axie Infinity community treasury will be spent in the future. We have previously mentioned the importance of governance tokens in this channel before, and the name itself would really make a big case on why that is. Listening to the community is really important, especially for the developers if they want their players to keep on playing the game. But we know what you guys are in here for. You are in here for the more popular SLP. At the time of writing the script of this video, SLP is valued at $0.004286. Now this price might turn you off as it is a really low price, especially if you compare it to its all-time high that reached $0.36 back in May 2021. But remember that this was the time when Axie ruled the blockchain gaming world. Now that they have more competition to inspire them to work harder, we can expect them to do great things in the future. One example of a silver lining they have is with their market cap. At the time of writing, their market cap exceeds $100 million for a price of $185.98 million. That is almost the $200 million mark, which is still really impressive. Generally, you want games like these to have a market cap of over $100 million. Now let's take a look at how forecasts are seeing the future of the token. As we can see from most, if not all of the forecasts, they are quite bullish on SLP's future. For the year 2022, we can see that the website Digital Coin Price predicts that the token will reach an average price of 0.0057 soon. There is still plenty of time for the token to take off in the next few months. The same sentiment can also be felt by priceprediction.net as they predict the token to average $0.006 for this year. Trading Beast predict that the token will end the year at a minimum price of $0.0057 and can go as high as $0.0084. Next year will be an up year for SLP according to our forecast. Digital Coin Price predicts that the token will be at least $0.565 for the next year. This is the minimum price they are expecting and it can go as high as $0.0068. Trading Beasts are also showing support for the future as they see the token reaching an average price of $0.0076 to end the year, which is a 70% increase from the price today. This goes to show that the forecasts are seeing that the token will take a slow growth in the future. But if they want to keep going, they need to take it slow, and I think this is the way to go for them. If we wait a bit more in the future, priceprediction.net sees that the token can go as high as $0.02 in 2025. It can average $0.018 according to them. Obviously, this may sound like a very optimistic prediction even for them, so let us take a look at the others. Surprisingly, Trading Beast shares similar growth for SLP, saying that the token will reach $0.014 mid-2025 and end the year at a maximum of $0.015. Digital coin price is one not showing similar bullishness from the other predictions, as they see the token dance around the $0.00824 mark, which is still a good growth. 2030 is going to be interesting, as priceprediction.net predicts that the token will be able to breach the $0.1 mark. This is a huge milestone for Axie Infinity, assuming priceprediction.net are on point on their forecast. They see that the token will reach $0.12 by the end of the decade, but DCP needs more convincing, as they think that the token will only average $0.0196 at that time. Regardless of guessing who is accurate or not, it is clear that forecasts are seeing Axie Infinity to have a bullish future moving forward. They have shown resilience despite the bearish market, and with the release of Origins, it is expected that they will gather the old players that used to play their game. Origins is designed to be the better version of Axie Infinity, but we will see where this will lead us. So the question in everyone's mind, will SLP survive in the future? Better yet, will it survive in the case of another bear run? It is really uncertain to think about, but it is looking really likely. Again, not financial advice, but with forecasts saying so, this might be their time again. But take note of the external factors that may change their price dramatically. That is why we are telling you guys to search and always be updated. SLPs also have a lot of use cases. With a new game coming up, it is expected that the trading volume for the game will also increase. Speaking of trading volume, the trading volume of SLP in the last 24 hours is actually at an impressive $18 million worth of SLP. That is actually really impressive. Anyway, SLP can be used to buy Axies, which is the heart and soul of the game. Although you can be gifted an Axie, having one of your own is always an advantage. So you can use it to buy, sell, and trade for other NFTs in the game. It can also be used for in-game breeding in order to produce more Axies. You can sell these Axies, especially if they have the perfect combination of characteristics, and they can go for a lot. But the price for breeding isn't the same all the time. It starts at 100 SLP and gradually increases over time. This is to prevent the inflation that is happening within the marketplace of the game. Our world today is filled with excitement, as we want to know what will happen in the future with this volatile market like ours. And with Axie Infinity, we can't help ourselves but just root for their comeback story. Hopefully, with all signs saying that they will be good in the future, they will really be good. The world will always be better when Axie is around. Hello everyone, thanks for watching this video. We really appreciate the time you gave us. Unfortunately, that is all the time we have for now. But if you like our videos, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you won't miss an upload from us. Speaking of uploads, we have a video on crypto.com on the previous video, so go check that out if you haven't already. Comment down below your thoughts on Axie Infinity and how long you have been playing, if ever, for a chance at a shoutout giveaway. Thanks for watching and have fun cashing out.